or groups from fully participating and thriving. It's not just about offering a seat at the table. It's also about ensuring that everyone has the tools and the support that they need to be heard and succeed. Equity demands that we take into account systemic injustices from racial. An inclusive environment is one where different perspectives aren't just welcomed but celebrated. It is one where all individuals, regardless of their different.
So whoever's got ideas, it's not going to happen. But anyways, I want to say thank you and welcome to this beautiful day. This is a really honor to be here today. I used to dance and perform, and this is part of handing down the culture. This is part of what we do. And so my granddaughter.
We're really delighted to be here once again and share a piece of the Hmong culture with you today. Something new that we want to share this year is our new dance team called Dhia Ua Ke. That means jump together. They are a younger dance group between ages 8 to 14. This is their very first performance together as a team, so we're so thrilled to have them here today. Please give them a round of applause. I'm going to ask them to introduce themselves to you here.
Hello, my name is Leon Bing, and I am 12 years old and I go to Patrick Marsh.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I'm 10 years old and I go to Harvest Intermediate School.
Hi, my name is Elise, and I'm 10 years old and I go to Token Springs Elementary School.
Najong Gulumbe hu oa Isabel Vu, Uma go go shong go by Jigga Bay Glacier Jolly Middle School.
Hello, my name is Shona Bang. I'm 13 years old and I go to school at Glacier Jolly Middle School. Najong Gulumbe hu oa Melina Vu. Today I am 14 years old and I go to Glacier Jolly Middle School.
Nyajong Kulumbeya Alina Shung. I'm 14 years old and I go to La Folle High School.
Hello, my name is Lana Lee. I am 11 years old and I go to Patrick Marsh Middle School.
Najong Gulumbe hu oa Hoki Singa. I am 10 years old. I go to Osen Elementary School.
Nyajong Kulumbehu or Chelsea Boo. I'm 10 years old and I go to Emerson.
Hi, my name is Madison Chang. I'm 10 years old and I go to Royal Oaks Elementary School.
My name is Edison Paul, and I'm 8 years old, and I go to Eel Point Elementary School.
them another round of applause for their very first performance. Great job. Next, I'd like to welcome Thai Chingha Hmong dance team of the song that we're performing to. For this next dance, we're going to be paying tribute to the Hmong New Year. It's a holiday that marks the end of the harvest season and start of a new year. It's also a time for the Hmong community to come together, celebrate our culture, and wish for prosperity and good fortune for the year ahead. For the Madison area, we will celebrate the Hmong New Year this year on November 2nd and 3rd at the Alliant Energy Center, and they will be competing for the dance competition. I am going to have them also introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Lonnie Bang. I'm 17 and I go to Sun Prairie East High School.
Hi, my name's Charlotte. I'm 11 years old and I go to Harvest Intermediate School.
Hi, I'm Annalise and I'm 13 years old and I go to Patrick Marsh Middle School.
Hi, my name is Neela. I'm 16 and I go to Cambridge High School.
Hi, my name is Lydia. I'm 18 years old and I'm a Sun Prairie East High School alumni.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm 14 years old and I go to Waterloo High School. Hi everyone, I'm Alexis Vang. I'm 16 years old and I go to Sun Prairie East High School.
Hi, I'm Lila Vang. I'm 16 years old and I go to Sun Prairie East High School.
In the Hmong culture, this is something we deeply value and celebrate. We celebrate the vital duty of supporting each other. So we want to thank you to the City of Sun Prairie for hosting this event every single year, to all of the performers and volunteers for coming out to make sure that we continue to have this multicultural festival.
Sáng gió trăng cầu hông sáng nở u nụ của thảo chi tao bỏ kê chua gió bùa tô tàu rồi say tuổi nhỏ bố cây bố mùa ô trái rồi xem yếm ba mù tê chi bao giờ ô chi bao giờ bỏ cái kia ấy kia lâu cả tay bông như chi lao rồi sai ba bé nhiều chi bao giờ na có theo bao cụ mà bao có chi bao giờ lo chi chạp la chi bao giờ lo chi chạp la đâu mong về lên từ nơi kia lì hoa ta chia phải tua bao nơi cho na xa bao giờ có một tuần cho thà lên từ cả thọ chúa lòng tê lên từ cả thọ chúa canh tê lên từ cả thọ chúa cha tê
gầu mong nên dòng ôn nhà lên thay cha yêu hai lúc ca gì quả loa nó đi ta từ ca chỉ chua có lần ngoa để gió chia nên tranh chỉ tao mùa thu chia cái tua mũ bao này sao mẹ lên thay tôi mẹ lên lộn mò na lên ngoa ồ nó chán đúng thì con đã ta câu bóng xanh cứ chia nhị cha yếu hai ai gì lúa nè mong tên thầy ô mong tên thầy chia bê tuần trò nè qua tê nó mò cho mùa để chia bê tua bao nè cho để nè hoa tua bao bê cho giờ tia mua chia bê mà tua ba ua lia chia bê mà tua ba ua tê mà ba tua rồi tua chó rồi tua chó để gió hai trên đi truy tàu mùa thu chia bê mà tua ua nè tu nỡ có mong tu nên gì tu
ta su chi e chan don chi có xue chi yuan ba no su thao mo su lon thua rõ ràng nghe tay vòn gì ta chạp lần đêm long chê hậu đê cứ ha ta là xia ô lùa nọ na châu mong nghề em mong về tuổi
What's Sri Krishna doing there?
Sri Krishna. Here.
Welcome to this nice multicultural fair event. My name is Rohit Vaidya, and we are going to take you on a journey through our beautiful culture, Indian culture. India is a land of diverse cultures. Lord Jagannath, who is Lord for the visual aesthetic. Subhadra, who is his sister. And these chariots are created
Okay. Eat ape. Eat ape. There you go. Good job. Thanks for having us. You are.
Sandy's studying with us.
Oh yeah. What do you see? Oh, yeah, we already got that. Let's go see what else.
Oh, I see Snow White. Snow White's over there, Dhia. Sorry, I see Snow White somewhere. Whoa.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello.